what is non-destructive audio and what are the benefits? Okay, if you're an author and you're watching this, you will fully understand what I'm about to explain. Okay, you're dictating a letter. You're starting and you're stopping and you're building your letter and you make a mistake. What do you do? What do you do? Well, you've got two options. You can either stop, rewind, stop, hit play, cue up your position and stop again and redictate over the mistake. That's option one. The downside is it takes time and it's frustrating. Your other option is don't fix the mistake. Simply stop and then dictate, Hi Mary or Sally, whatever the name of your typist or secretary is, please strike that last paragraph. Saves you a ton of time. Problem is, it wastes your secretary's time and you do it often enough, she's not going to be in a real happy mood. So you've got two options. You can A, redictate it yourself, which wastes your time, or B, say strike that, which saves your time but wastes your secretary's time. So you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. With Quikscribe, we give you a new option. And the new option is instantly remove the mistake. Well, how is that possible? Well, by watching lawyers how they dictate. And that's what we did. We physically went in there and watched the process. We took nothing for granted. We wanted to study the entire process and re-engineer whatever had to be done to make it possible to make that document as fast as possible. And this is what we observed. When an author dictates, he doesn't hit record and dictate the whole letter. No, what he actually does is he hits record, stops, record, stop. He's composing his thoughts each time he starts and stops. Since that is the case, what we did within our file, rather than record one continuous linear file, we actually put invisible, you won't see them, you won't hear them, but invisible tracks every time you start and stop, just like a CD. Here's a CD, but on it are different tracks. Where every time you start and stop a Quikscribe file, we're actually putting little track numbers in there. And it's a way of us keeping track of the file. The benefit is, if you make a mistake, you can press a button called undo. Your last edit is removed. If you want to go back 2 mistakes, hit it twice. Now, here's the really cool part. If you want to put that edit back in, you can hit redo. So, from an author's perspective, you dictate something, stops. Dictate something, stops. Dictate something, he's made a mistake, he stops, hits undo, and continues dictating. He doesn't have to fix it. What are the benefits for the typist? Well, never will the typist here strike that. Never does the typist have to waste time. So by doing this, we are speeding up the process of dictation. What might have taken you this long to dictate, we can dictate it in less time. Less stress for the author, less work for the typist. Non-destructive audio. Now, in digital dictation, like anything, we're humans, we make mistakes. What happens if you rewind back to the beginning and you're listening to it and then you accidentally hit record? Well, if you're using a tape or any other digital dictation, if you hit record, you will wreck your audio file. With Quikscribe, yeah, you'll record over it, but we don't record over the audio file. We work in layers. So if that is the case and you do that, you hit undo, bang, instantly you can recover all your audio. It's like magic. In Microsoft Word, would you not pull out your hair if there was not an undo feature? Almost every application on a desktop has undo. But the moment you go to digital dictation, where's my undo? There's no undo because everyone treats it as a tape. They record to the file in a linear process, which is destructive, which means if you make a mistake, you're hosed. With Quikscribe, you can instantly undo or redo, and that's what makes one of the features that makes Quikscribe unique.